Here we go, let's unbox the Hobolite Iris. I'm going to show you what comes in the box first, and then we will try out what the accessories and effects look like with the light on. The LED itself is really small and light. I could definitely take this with me in my pocket or in a handbag. What I have here is the light creator kit, and it comes with all the available accessories, but you can get a smaller kit with just the essentials as well. This is the aperture lens, which lets you limit the light spread. You can make a really nice spotlight with this. We also get a Fresnel lens, which makes the light 3 times brighter and more defined. The magic lens is the real gem for me here. You're gonna see the kaleidoscope-like effect of this one later when we try it out. We've got a frosted dome for diffuse light. This is going to create a really flattering, soft vlogging light. This kit also comes with full colored gels. Just wait for the little demo of these at the end. Now the light can be dimmed seamlessly with this little wheel, but you can also click it and it skips 25% each time. That's going to help you when you want to make a bigger adjustment or when the light is facing you on top of the camera. If you press the on button again, you can change the color temperature as well and navigate to more of a menu. There are a lot of different effects like lightning, fireworks, explosion, for all kinds of videos that you can get creative with. Since this light is so small, you can even hide it in the scene somewhere. Some of these I had to speed up a bit for the video. The distances between the flashes are sometimes a bit longer. I can easily imagine the shutter or the flash effects in a fashion video, like a paparazzi effect, or even for some cool transitions. If you're a videographer, these effects are going to be really helpful as well. For a lifestyle video, the flame effect is my favorite. It is so cozy, I'm immediately imagining a fireplace. If you're further away from the light, you can control it with the Hobolite app via Bluetooth, so you don't have to walk over every time you want to make an adjustment. All the accessories have a magnetic mount, which seems very secure. There's no fiddling around with the angle or clicking it into the right spot or anything. The whole construction feels high quality and sturdy. You can see with the Fresnel lens, it's a huge difference in intensity. It's so much brighter than just the iris by itself. This one, the magic lens and this aperture ring come with the optical modifier and the light creator kit. They are not part of the basic starter kit. Just look at that magic lens, it's so cool. You can even rotate it for a video or focus it for a more defined effect. Now, getting to the best part in my opinion, the filters. They slide into that little gap and you can rotate them a bit as well. Some of them have several colors, so the rotation gives you a bit more options for orientation. They're all quite different and you can really combine all the accessories however you want. There are so many options to play with. If you want something portable with a lot of creative options, I would definitely recommend the Iris Light Creator Kit.